Rolling.
Mold on my bed frame, mold on my walls, mold on my t-shirt, damn those little puff balls. Mold on my backpack, a mosaic of blue and green. Mold on my chapstick, now that's just unclean. It's sprouting all around me. Anymore. Mold, 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 mold. Now that I smell you, I just can't love you anymore. My clothes all smell awful and my friends smell bad too. It doesn't look like we'll ever try what is a girl to do. It's spotting my raincoat and it's growing in my hair. It's become a bit intrusive and I can't help but care. It's definitely in my kitchen, so it's probably in my food. My wooden spoon is furry, so not even soup can improve my mood. Mold, 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 mold. Now that I know you, I just can't love you anymore. Mold, 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 mold. Now that I smell you, I just can't love you anymore.